This is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and in today's video I will show how you can check how much random access memory you have on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the the system category, then go for the about phone, and over here at the RAM section or field, you can check how much random access memory you have on this device. You can also go for the hardware information and see the same data over here as well. Or perhaps you can also see your RAM from going into advanced settings, then mobile manager, and here is not only the total amount of RAM you have, but also how much of it is currently occupied. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.